In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create WhatsApp, YouTube, and Gmail shortcuts on your desktop, whether you're using a computer or a laptop. This is a simple and effective way to access your favorite web applications quickly without having to type the URLs each time in your web browser. It's particularly helpful if you find yourself using these platforms frequently and want to streamline your workflow. Let's begin by opening your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, the next step is to navigate to the website you want to create a shortcut for. We'll start with WhatsApp. In the URL bar at the top of your browser, type in web.whatsapp.com and hit enter. This will take you to WhatsApp Web, which allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer by syncing with your phone. After you've accessed the web page, the next step involves creating the shortcut. Move your attention to the top right corner of your browser. Here you'll find the three dots, or what some call the hamburger menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. This leads to yet another menu where you'll see an option called Create Shortcut. Clicking this option will prompt a pop-up window to appear. This is where you can customize the name of your shortcut. You can decide to keep it as WhatsApp or change it to whatever you'd like. Once you're satisfied with the name, click the Create button. Congratulations, a shortcut icon for WhatsApp has now been added to your desktop. You can easily access WhatsApp by simply double-clicking on this icon in the future. Now let's do the same for YouTube. In your web browser, go to www.youtube.com. Once the page loads, repeat the same steps we used for WhatsApp. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, select Cast, Save and Share, and then click Create Shortcut. Customize the name if you wish, then select Create. Just like before, a YouTube shortcut will be created on your desktop. Finally, let's create the Gmail shortcut. Navigate to www.gmail.com. Again, click on the three dots, select Cast, Save and Share, then choose Create Shortcut. Customize the name if you prefer and click Create. Now you'll have a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. These shortcuts will make accessing these popular web services much faster and more convenient. If at any point you wish to remove any shortcuts, you can simply right-click on the icon and select Delete to remove it from your desktop. There you have it, a simple process to streamline your daily browsing and increase productivity.